Hi there! Today we will be making a kiwi. Let's see what is that? Well, yes, you're right. It's a fruit, but it is also an animal. So let's see the 4 steps right here and start making the kiwi. At first, we are going to make a small circle. And after that, we will start making a bigger circle. Once we are done with that, we are going to connect it together. That is lovely. After that, let's make these 2 lines and then connect it further. Look at its beak. It's pretty long. So, let's start making a very long beak right here. That'll be lovely. Make the eyes. And then start making this drawing fair. At first, we need to make this drawing a little lighter so that if we make a mistake, it is easier for us to erase it. Once we start making it a little darker, it is time for us to make it fair. Complete making the legs and the nails. And after that, erase the overlapping part. Yes, it is going to be easier for you to make the sketch pen marks. This looks interesting. Let's start making the outline for this. If you notice, we require a furry texture. Hence, we are going to use the sketch pen in such a way that we get a beautiful furry border. Complete the entire thing in a similar way. This looks beautiful. Let's take our pencil and start making these lines. Well, yes, we can take a black colored sketch pen and do this. Continue making these lines slowly and nicely. Make it on the leg as well. This looks very interesting. After that, let's take a brown color and start coloring. Let's take a darker shade of brown and do this. Do the outline first and then color inside. We can also keep the center part a little light, as that is how it's shown in the book. Continue coloring this in one direction. This looks interesting. It is completely alright if your shade doesn't match the one mentioned in the book. You can take the shade closest to it. After that, let's take skin color for the legs. And now, complete the entire thing in a similar way. Let's do the beak with the same color. And look at that, our kiwi is ready.